You are staring at your scanner and it is giving you a P069B code, specifically pointing to cylinder number 9, and you are wondering what on earth is going on with your diesel engine. This code can be a bit intimidating because it deals with the glow plug control circuit, and unlike gasoline engines that use spark plugs, your diesel relies on these glow plugs to get enough heat into the cylinder to even think about starting. When the powertrain control module, or PCM, sets this code, it is telling you that it has detected a voltage level in that specific circuit that is higher than what it expects to see. This is not something you want to ignore because it can lead to some pretty annoying symptoms like excessive black smoke pouring out of your exhaust, a noticeable drop in fuel efficiency, or an engine that just struggles to start on a cold morning. You might even feel the engine misfiring or running rough. Before you start throwing parts at it, you need to understand that the glow plug is basically a heating element that gets red hot to aid compression. Troubleshooting this requires a bit of patience and a good digital volt ohm meter, or DVOM. Start by locating cylinder number 9 using your service manual, because guessing the wrong cylinder is a classic mistake that wastes hours. Once you are there, check the wiring connectors for any signs of loose connections or corrosion. A pro tip that many manuals skip is how to test the plug itself. You can carefully remove the glow plug and apply battery voltage to it. If it glows bright red, it is likely good, but if it stays dark, it is dead. However, be extremely careful not to burn yourself or start a fire. If the plug works, you need to use your DVOM to check if voltage is actually reaching the connector when the timer is active. If you have no power there, you're looking at a blown fuse, a bad relay, or a faulty glow plug timer. Do not let the fact that this is a circuit code fool you into thinking the plug is fine. A bad internal resistance in the glow plug can absolutely trick the computer into setting this high voltage code. Always test your fuses with the circuit loaded to avoid false positives, and make sure you are isolating the problem before you buy a new module.